Interfaces are similar to type alias, so it's another way that we can use in TypeScript to name an object type. So for interfaces, interface is used, and here you can write the name of this interface. Suppose the name is student, and here we can write down all the properties that we want to have for this interface. And suppose the second one is age, and the number is it's of type number. Now similar to type alias, we can define it, or we can define for any other variables. For example, let me create one method print details, and here I am passing one argument, and it's of type student. Okay, now here inside this I can access these properties of this argument s. If I write s dot, then you can see that I can access this age and name. So let me print out both age and name s dot age. Okay, now we can call this method with one object that should hold one name, and it's still throwing me one error because we need one age as well. Age is, suppose it is 10, then you can see that it printed this both values. TypeScript is only concerned with the structure of the value that we are passing, so we can also replace it with a type alias. Suppose let me create one type here, and let me comment it out. And it will work. There are a few small differences between an interface and a type alias. So the first one is like it is different how we extend an interface. For example, let me create one interface here. Interface, suppose the name is human, and let me move this both to this human, and this student is extending the interface. Okay, student is extending human. So here for student we will add one more. Suppose it is grade. Now if I am passing a student, then it should have all these three properties: name, age and grade. So I am just sending name, age. I can also print the grade here. Okay, then here I need to pass the grade. Now it will print all of this, but if you are using any type alias, then it's a bit different. So let's say the first one is human type, and the second one is student type, and we can't use extends here, so we have to use intersection. You need to write student equal human, use this and symbol, and it will make it similar to extend. So now you can see that all of these three are printed, and we can pass these values. There is one more difference between interfaces and types. So once we have created one interface, you can add any other properties to the same interface. Here just write it the name again, and you can add it student, and you can add more properties. Then you can see that it works. But if you have one type, suppose the type name is student, and if you want to add any more properties to the same student type, then it will throw you one compile time error, duplicate identifier student. So we can't do that with type. Okay, that's all for now. If you have any question, please drop one comment below. Thanks. Bye.